Hello everyone! So get ready with me to sleep. As you can see, marami talaga akong dark spots and pock marks or yung butas-butas na skin. So I'm going to use these two products. Let's see kung maayos niya ang aking problems. I'm going to use the retinol and the whitening repair of the Lux Organic. Packaging is very nice. Langamoy. So we're going to do the sandwich method, which is moisturizer, retinol, then moisturizer again. For beginners yun. Familiar yung amoy. Something's off. Okay. Patutuyuin ko lang gamit yung mini fan na to para mas mabilis kasi gabi na. The next step is the retinol. This. It's push and then wow. Size. Okay. Let's push, spread. Okay, and then patuyuin na naman natin. Sabi dito is twice a week lang. So, Friday ngayon. Sigurong susunod naman is Tuesday. Tuesday naman. So, tuyo na siya. Moisturizer ulit. So, na paano itong ginagawa ko? Dahil kung mali patay tayo. Dry para parang nilalagay ko ito. Ay kalam si naday. Kalam si day saklang si day. Ispaso lang atong nauungat. Pero itong lagom ang ating liog. That's it. And lastly, before we sleep, lip balm para atang lips ay di mag-dry. Mag lip balm jud mo kung matuwag mo joke lang. Mag lip balm ko kapag natutalag para pati yung lip ay moisturize. Wala na. Yun lang. Bye-bye.